In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change text color of site menu in Wix. Let's jump right into the Wix editor. First, click directly on your site menu on the canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a small floating toolbar or panel appear next to it. This is where you access all the design controls specific to that element. Next, click the design icon in that menu. It usually looks like a small paintbrush or palette. This opens the styling options for your menu so you can control how it looks without affecting other parts of your site. From there, choose Customize Design. This is the detailed styling panel for your menu. It's where you'll find controls for different parts of the menu and different states such as normal, hover, and current. Changing the right setting here will ensure your updates are consistent across your entire navigation. Open the section labeled Background Fills. Even if your main goal is to adjust text color, many menu styles group text and background options in the same area so you can see how they work together. This helps you avoid a text color that clashes with the background. Click the color box to open the color picker. Select the color you want for your menu items. If your menu design differentiates between text and fill, make sure you're applying the color to the text portion so the lettering updates as expected. Use your brand colors when possible for a cohesive look. If you're using site theme colors, choosing one of those options will keep your menu in sync with global changes later. If you prefer a more dynamic look, you can click on Gradient instead. This allows you to create a gradient effect. Adjust the slider to control the direction and intensity of the blend. Gradients can be eye-catching, but be mindful of readability. Strong contrast between the text color and the background is key, especially for accessibility. If the gradient is busy, consider keeping the text color simple and high contrast. As you make changes, watch the preview on your canvas to see how the menu looks in context. It's a good idea to review different states like hover and current so users can always tell where they are. Aim for at least a 4.5:1 contrast ratio for body size text to keep things accessible. That's it. By selecting your menu, opening the design controls, customizing the design, choosing background fills, picking a color, or switching to a gradient and adjusting the slider, you can refine your menu's text appearance and ensure it looks polished, on brand, and easy to read.